Hello everyone, Dave here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp auto reply. How you can actually generate WhatsApp auto reply and use it for your groups and either your business account or the normal WhatsApp account. So first, now let's go to Google Play Store and search WhatsApp auto reply. So I've actually downloaded and tested it and everything is working already. So I'm just going to continue the process and show you how to do it yourself. Okay, so we are in the Google Play Store already. So let's search for WhatsApp auto reply. So I've also searched it already. I'm just going to click on the WhatsApp auto reply here, and then the first one that shows up, that's not the one that I want. I want the second one because that's what I've used and it has already worked for me, and I want to show you how you can also use it on your WhatsApp. Alright, so let's install this one. It is done, the installing. So just go ahead and open it, then we get started. Now when you open it, this is what will show up. Yes, you don't really want to use the pro version, so you just skip this page. And now over here you can go to the menu here and do your settings. And so let me show you how I did mine and it has worked for me. So first of all, you come to your settings panel, then we have the version of the WhatsApp that you are using. You can either decide to use the WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, GB WhatsApp, or customize it depending on the WhatsApp that you want the auto reply bot to work on for. So over here I'm going to choose my WhatsApp. Now we have multi-user support. Don't change any other thing here, okay? So I think that is all for. Okay, so I'm not changing any other thing here, so I'm going back. Then you see this button right here, this notification button over here. Make sure it is turned on because Autobots actually use it to detect your WhatsApp messages from the notification setting. So when it is not turned on, the bot will never reply to your messages. Okay, so we are turning it on. Alright, turned on, allow, and done. Okay, so we are going back. The next thing you have to do is to click on this plus button here. This allows you to go and set your rules. Rules are the responses and the answers that you want to give on WhatsApp. Whenever someone sends you a message on WhatsApp, the response that you want to give to the person, these are called the rules in Autobot. So let's click on the plus button here, and now the message that you receive, let's say the person says hi. So if the person says hi, I'm going to type hi over here. Then you click on, you can choose to use the exact match or the similar match. So for me, I'm going to use the similar match because sometimes people can use hello instead of hi, and they are all welcoming or an intro to conversation. So I'm going for a similar match, and then you come down, then you reply the message, what you want to answer to the person, or what you want the person to see as an answer. Okay, so for me, I'm going to write hello. Sorry, I'm going to write hello. How are you doing? Hello, how are you doing? Then I'll click on the check mark. Now let's go back and take another row. Alright, so let's say the person says, I'm good, and you. So the response should be, well, I'm fine, thank you. Thank you. Alright, so alright, so with these two rules that I've said, I would like to try it. So where do I go to try this? Come back to your settings panel and come to text your rules. So option 3, text your rule. So over here, I'm going to say hi, and it says hello, how are you doing? This shows you that your bot is working. Alright, so let me text it manually on my WhatsApp and see if it actually works. So I'm going to use my WhatsApp business account to text my WhatsApp account. So let me show you here. What is it? WhatsApp business. It's opening. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp business account, and I'm going to send hi to my normal WhatsApp account. Okay, so you can see it has replied to me automatically. So this is how you add WhatsApp auto bot to WhatsApp. Alright, so you can equally add it to WhatsApp groups, and with that one too, the settings are there for you to choose. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do well and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in the next video.